I got Mavis the pit bull, Dozer the pit bull, Ghost the pit bull, and they're out here all pushing cows together. Get them, Mavis. Get them. Got 7 miles down and 2, maybe 3 miles to go. I'm out here walking on my feet. Here's Ghost. First time Ghost, the white one, has ever pushed a cow in his life. Came out here, saw what his mom was doing and his big brother, and now he's out here pushing cows like a champ. That's their dad. A border collie's the dad. And Mavis the pit bull right there, pushing cows. I got 2 trucks behind me, 1 truck in front, and it's going good so far. Tried this yesterday and it didn't work out very well. Cows didn't want to come home. After 2 days without any hay, I guess they said hell with it. And now we're walking on home. Another good day, blue sky, kind of cold. Ghost, right here. Get him, Ghost, get him. Oh, Ghost almost became a pancake. Mavis has been ran over today, the mom, and Ghost, the white one, he's been ran over once. Dozer here, he's been hit at least twice in the face. Mavis says, hell no. She don't take no for an answer. Cow wants to come after Mavis. Mavis is going to grab a hold of that cow's nose and hold on until the cow takes off running again. She's a good cattle dog. There she goes. Fighting and getting the cows to go home. Great day to be pushing cows. I got my old lady and my sister's best friend in the truck back here. Right there. There they are. In that big truck. My boss is in the second truck behind that truck. He's just here for moral support. And he has more dogs, so if my 3 pits decide they want to get too tired. Ghost, Mavis, down there. Down there. Mavis. Mavis. Hey, hey, hey. Right there, right there, right there. Ghost, Ghost, right there, right there. Get him, Ghost. Get him, Ghost. Get him. Get him off the road. Get him, Ghost. Get him. Everybody thinks pit bulls are mean.